If you're leaving WeChat or switching platforms, it's important to know how to delete your WeChat account on iPhone. Deleting the account is permanent, erasing all chats, files, contacts, and moments. Posts. Before deleting, back up your data. This guide covers how to back up your WeChat data, delete your account, freeze it temporarily, and securely erase WeChat data from your device. Part 1. Back up WeChat data before deleting the WeChat account. Before you delete your WeChat account, backing up your important data is crucial. Once WeChat confirms the deletion, everything associated with the account, messages, photos, videos, transferred files, and moments history will be permanently removed. Step 1. On your PC, open a web browser and go to WeChat.com to download the WeChat client app. Step 2. Install and launch the WeChat client on your computer. Then, use the WeChat app on your iPhone to scan the QR code to log in. Step 3. In the WeChat client on your PC, click the menu button in the lower left corner, select Backup and Restore, and then choose Backup on PC. Step 4. Confirm the action in the pop-up window. After that, select the chat history you wish to back up and click OK to start the backup process. Part 2. How to delete WeChat account on iPhone. WeChat lets users apply for permanent account cancellation, provided there are no outstanding payments, rule violations, or unlinked services. This guide explains how to complete the cancellation process on your iPhone directly through the WeChat app without needing a computer. Step 1. Open the WeChat app on your iPhone. Tap Me at the bottom, then go to Settings Account Security. Step 2. Scroll down and tap to enter the WeChat Security Center for account security issues. Step 3. On the WeChat Security Center page, tap Account Cancellation. Step 4. You'll be asked to review the verification details before proceeding with account cancellation. Read through them carefully and then tap Request Cancellation. Step 5. Tap Next, then click Agree and confirm cancellation. Once your cancellation request is successfully submitted, your account will be automatically logged out. If you wish to cancel the deletion, you can log back into your WeChat account within 60 days of submitting the request. After 60 days, your account and all associated data will be permanently deleted, and it will no longer be recoverable. Part 3. How to freeze WeChat account on iPhone. If deleting your WeChat account feels too permanent, you have the option to temporarily disable it, also known as freezing your account. Step 1. Open the WeChat app and tap Me. Step 2. Next, go to Settings, then select Account Security. Step 3. Tap WeChat Security Center, followed by Freeze Account. Step 4. Confirm by tapping Start Freeze. Once frozen, no one will be able to log into your account. Freezing your WeChat account will not delete any of your profile information or messages, and you'll still be visible to your friends on the app. To unfreeze your WeChat account, just go to WeChat Security Center Unfreeze Account, tap Unfreeze, and follow the on-screen instructions. Part 4. How to delete WeChat data on iPhone permanently. Even if you delete your WeChat account, sensitive private data such as cache files, thumbnails, chat history fragments, and voice files may still remain on your iPhone. Simply uninstalling the app will not fully erase these files. To completely wipe out these privacy traces, you can use a professional mobile data erasure tool, such as Coolmuster iOS Eraser. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. The software will automatically detect your device, and the main interface will appear, ready for data erasure. Step 2. Click the Erase button. Choose your preferred security level low, medium, or high, and confirm by clicking OK. Step 3. When prompted, type Delete to confirm, then click Erase again. A final confirmation will appear. Click OK to start the permanent deletion process. Step 4. Once the process is complete, all data on your device will be permanently erased and unrecoverable. You can now set up your iPhone as new.